Welcome to cclhub.com.au, your ultimate destination for NAATI CCL test preparation. Hi everyone. Are you preparing for the NAATI CCL test and looking for the best resources to help you succeed? You've come to the right place. At CCL Hub, we offer comprehensive preparation materials and expert guidance to ensure you ace your test with confidence. Our website is packed with features designed to make your preparation easy and effective. Let's take a closer look. Practice tests. Access a wide range of practice tests that mimic the actual NAATI CCL test format. Expert tips. Get valuable tips and strategies from NAATI experts to enhance your performance. Mock tests. Take full-length mock tests to assess your readiness and identify areas for improvement. Audio resources. Listen to high-quality audio recordings to improve your listening skills.
The practice tests on CCL Hub were spot on. They really helped me understand what to expect in the actual exam.
The expert tips and strategies were a game changer for me. I felt so much more confident on test day.
Using CCL Hub is simple and straightforward. Here's how it works. Sign up, create a free account to get started. Choose your language. Select your preferred language pair from the available options. Start practicing, access practice tests, audio resources and more to begin your preparation. Track progress, monitor your progress and see how you're improving over time. Ready to start your journey towards NAATI CCL success? Visit cclhub.com.au today and take the first step towards achieving your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Good luck! CCL Hub, your partner in NAATI CCL test success.